Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto and MT. So guys, if you are still waiting for the all new upcoming car Jeep Recon, so this video is for you. I will share the updated news about the Jeep Recon. As the more car going electric, Jeep is driving ahead first, and they have already introduced hybrid model like the Jeep Wrangler 4X4 which mix gas and electric power. Now they are going to all electric with their new off-roader, the Jeep Recon. I will share the detail about in concept version, pre-launch version of unveils the Recon design, especially exterior design. This is look like the Jeep Wrangler baby version, and the Recon is designed to keep Jeep's off-roading spirit alive. It is not exactly like the Wrangler, but it is inspired by it, and think of it as a new member of the Jeep family built for electric power and the off-road adventure. So like the Wrangler 4Xe, the Recon will be great off-road, but being fully electric, it take things to whole new level. It will have the same boxy shape as the Wrangler with a door that you can easily remove for a even more exciting off-road experience. So but don't worry, the Recon is not replacing the Wrangler. Jeep plans to keep making the Wrangler, and also they are even thinking about making an all-electric version of it too. The Recon is just a different kind of Jeep, but with its own unique style and purpose. So it is expected to more focused on the on-road driving than the Wrangler, but it is still handles the trail like a pro with a super quick 0 to 60 speed of in just 3.5 seconds. And the Recon promises an electrifying off-road experience. While Jeep has not officially said how far it can go on one charge, people expect it at least 250 miles on just single charge, maybe even up to more, around 350 miles on a single charge. As Jeep get ready to launch the Recon, it is a big step for them into electric power. It shows they are serious about bringing the best of Jeep off-roading legacy into the future with the latest technology. So in this video I have only this updated news, and please subscribe us. I will share the all updated news related to all Jeep Recon news. Thank you guys. If you want more, so please subscribe us. Thank you.